Now these are one of the DIY tools that you never actually knew you needed until you used one. In this video, I'm going to show you these flashlight gloves. You'll see them in operation. I'll show you how to change the battery and you'll see how easy they are and the difference they can make to a DIY job or working on the car. Well, the first thing to say about these is what an absolutely perfect gift they make. So I've already used them, hence the two missing batteries, and I'll tell you why I had to use two batteries. Right, so they actually come with batteries installed. Here's the on-off button, and on this one again, on-off button. But what must have happened in transit is the button's being pressed, and because the batteries are installed and there's no protector on there, one of these must have been turned on and the batteries are gone. But fortunately, you also get sent 5 spare batteries. Now each one of these does take 2, so you have got a spare one left over. But not only do they come with 2 batteries installed in each one, you also get 5 spare ones, which was a bit of a lifesaver when I came to use them. I'll quickly show you how to change a battery in them because it's so simple. You just need a small screwdriver, and once you find the head, there we go, just undo the screw. Once the screw's off, that literally just clips off and there's the 2 batteries. Replace the 2 batteries, pop it back on and put the screw back in. Now these should pretty much, based on previous use of LED torches, these should pretty much last forever because you're not going to be using these all the time. But if they don't last forever, it's a CR2016, you can probably get these for about £2. That bit's easy. Before we see the various uses that you can put them to, let's just try putting one on so that I can show you how it's done. So get your fingers like that, pop them in like so and pull it back, and then wrap around that until it goes onto the Velcro. Now that's fully on your hand, you can see it there, and we'll switch it on and there's the lights. Nice and bright. Okay, both on, there we go. You can see them both working there. This one seems to be a little bit duller. And I think this one is the one where the batteries had gone on it when I opened them up once they got delivered. So the chances are I'm going to send these back. However, in saying that, I will definitely be ordering either another pack like this and the generic, loads of different brands so you can't go wrong, or I may go for the rechargeable ones. I think I'll probably go for the rechargeable ones. But as I said, you can see how bright they are. Right, let's see them actually working. Now these are a gift that you never knew that you wanted until you actually use them. They are so useful, and to show you, so I do have torches that are magnetic and you can use them, stick them to somewhere. They are pretty directional so that they are good, but you can never get them in the right direction. However, look at that, anywhere where your hand is, it's illuminated. So if you're trying to get into a corner or somewhere, no need to hold the torch, you can work with both hands, it's all illuminated, and you really couldn't want anything more than that. That is wonderful. If you can hear anything, it's the dishwasher that's going in the background. How many times have you had to use a screwdriver to get somewhere it's cramped and dark, access is difficult, and you've only got a torch? That's where these really come into their own. So as you can see, I'm holding the screwdriver, I'll just pop it in the other hand, I'm going to turn them on, and the first thing you can see is how it lights it up. Now what I'd normally be doing is holding a torch in this hand and holding the screwdriver in this hand, and then just having the one hand there. Now you know what it's like when you're holding a screw, you've got to hold it like that to get it going or to stop it from dropping when you take it out. You can't do that if you're holding a torch, or if you're holding the torch, the chances are it's pointing in the wrong direction. Now with these, I can use both hands, screwdriver in both hands, I can reach in with both hands, it's illuminated. It does the job absolutely fantastically. And you don't just have to use it in cupboards, it can be used anywhere. We'll go up into the loft in the garage and I'll show you how you can use it up there as well. But basically, any situation for £12, you cannot complain about these. Lights on, screwdriver in hand, as you can see there. And we can reach in with both hands, get to the back, it's all illuminated, perfect. Working on the car, not a problem. Again, turn them on. Nice and easy, and let's have a look. Now, you know that you always need two hands to work in a car, because when you're reaching down, if you're holding a torch, you're just left with your one hand. In this instance, you can reach down. Again, everything's illuminated, using two hands, perfect. Right, now we'll just go up into the garage loft and see how useful they are there as well. Right, okay, so we're up here and there we go. And as you can see, your hand turns into a torch. It's basically just the one tool that you need. And that's just with one, so we'll bring the other one over. You can see that as well. Absolutely fantastic. Okay, so that's it. You've seen them in use. Very, very easy to use, easy to put on, simple to change the batteries if you ever need to do. And I've already told you why I did need to do. You get the spare batteries, so there's no need to go out looking around for any. They're an ideal stocking filler for either Christmas Day, for Father's Day, or just if you want something to be able to make your life easier. Purchase these off Amazon for $11.99, I think. Obviously these are the battery model. You can get the rechargeable ones for around about 14 or 15 pounds. I think if I was doing it again, I would get the rechargeable one, so I'll put the link below for that. And I'll also put the link below for the ones with batteries. Then you pay your money, you eat your chalk ice. Simple to use, does the job, saves a lot of heartache. But for me, a definite recommendation. Primarily, it makes jobs so much easier. You're not balancing your phone on something, trying to get the right angle for the light. You're not holding it in your mouth. You're not working with one hand while you're trying to hold the phone with the other one. So much easier. Yes, definitely a recommendation.